Check out that shine on my dragon. Woohoo! And how about that? How is that looking? How's that shine? That is stunning too. Look at the shine on that. Okay. And this is the dry results from the other day on my live. How beautiful is that? It really came stunning. Really happy with this. I had one little mishap, which if you can see it over here somewhere, I had a hair in it right there. I pulled it out, but I think it still looks beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. So these are two from my lives. And what I did was I did two coasters. There's one and there's the other. I have a little video coming up of that. Also with a piece of stationery. Okay. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye now. I love my dragon. I do. I love this too. The more I look at it, wow. Look at that. Fire in the sky. Maybe that's what that should be called. Fire in the sky.